to story time. We can't wait to read a book or two. Welcome to story time. We really love reading with you. Welcome to story time. Books make us laugh and learn some too. Welcome to story time. We really love reading with you. Story time, it's so fun. Story time's number one with you. Story time, it's so true. We really love reading with you. Yes, we do. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Storytime. I am so glad that you could join us today. My name is Miss Kate, and today we are going to be talking about trains. Now let's get started with our first book. The first story I'm going to read you is called Stanley's Train. And I better put on my glasses so I can see to read. Stanley's Train. And this book is written by William B. It's going to be another busy day for Stanley the train driver. Stanley and Charlie are up bright and early getting the engine ready. Stanley oils and greases all the moving parts while Charlie shovels coal into the firebox. All aboard! Little Woo has a beach ball, Benjamin has a toy boat, and Sophie has an inner tube. Where could they all be going? Chuff, 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 chuffity chuff. Off we go! Soon, Stanley and Charlie have the train rushing along. Stanley blows the whistle. Beep! Stanley leaves Charlie in charge of driving. Tickets, please, Myrtle. Would anyone else like to drive the train? Yes, please. They all take turns shoveling coal, pulling the levers, and blowing the whistle. Beep, beep, beep. Charlie brings refreshments for everyone. Tea, coffee, lemonade, homemade cakes. Gabriel would like a cup of coffee and a tea cake, and Peggy would like a cup of tea and a coffee cake, please. The train has reached its destination. Everyone gets off and heads for the seaside. Does everyone have everything? Beach ball, toy boat, inner tube, sunscreen. Yes, 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 yes. It's the perfect day for beach balls and boats and splashing about in the sea. But it's over too soon, and everyone heads back to the train. Stanley and Charlie shovel the coal, pull the levers, and very quietly blow the whistle while everyone snoozes. Beep! Well, what a busy day. Time for supper, time for a bath, and time for bed. Good night, Stanley. The end. They had a busy day on the train, didn't they? Sometimes we take a train to get us from one place to another place, just like the seaside. The next story I'm going to read you is called Two Little Trains. Two Little Trains by Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Greg Pizzoli. Two little trains went down the track. Two little trains went west. Puff, puff, puff. Chug, chug, chug. Two little trains to the west. One little train was a streamlined train. Puff, puff, puff to the west. One little train was a little old train. Chug, chug, chug going west. Look down, that long steel track. That long steel track to the west. Two little trains came to a hill, a mountainous hill to the west. With a puff and a chug, they went right through, under the hill to the west. Look through that long dark hill. Puff, 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 chug, 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 that long dark hill to the west. Two little trains came to a river, going west. Puff, 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 chug, 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 they went over the river to the west. Look down, below the bridge at the deep, dark river going west. The rain came down on the two little trains, going west, and it made them darker and wet and shiny as they went on their way to the west. The snow came down and covered the ground, and the two little trains going west, and they got white and furry, and still in a hurry, they puffed and chugged to the west. The moon shone down on a gleaming track and the two little trains going west. And they hurried along and heard the song of an old man singing in the west. Look down, that long steel track where you and I must go. That long steel track and strong crossbars before we travel home. The wind it blew and the dust it flew around the two little trains going west. But the dust storm drew not a toot or a woo or a whistle from the trains going west. Then the mountains came beyond the plain and the train started climbing west, up and around and over and through the great high mountains to the west. The ocean was big, the ocean was blue, beyond the land in the west, and the little train stopped. Their trip was through. They had come to the edge of the west. The end. Those trains went all across the country to the west. The next story I'm going to read you is called Chugga Chugga Choo Choo. And this book is written by Emma Garcia. Chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train. Clickety clack on the track, going to the seaside. We can taste the ice cream. Chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train. Clickety clack on the track, going to the forest. We can hear the birds sing. Chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train. Clickety clack on the track, going to the city. We can see the tall buildings. Chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train. Clickety clack on the track, going to the farm. We can smell the farmyard. Chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train. Clickety clack on the track, going to the station for a nice long rest. But who is making all that noise? 4 geese. Honk, 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 honk. 3 pigeons. Coo, coo, coo. 2 blackbirds. Tweet, tweet. 1 seagull. Caw. Shoo, shoo. Fly away, birds. Night, night, train. See you tomorrow. The end. You never know who you're going to pick up on a train ride. Hopefully not a bunch of noisy birds. The next story I'm going to read you is Listen Up, Train Song. And I think we need to invite our good friend Miss Mellon to help us tell this story. Come on in, Miss Mellon!
Oh boy, I heard you needed my help.
Well, it's a train song.
Oh boy,
So,
I am a natural born singer.
Now, trains make all kinds of noises, right?
Yes, they go chugga chugga choo choo. There's the big that thing.
That was great.
I know, wasn't it wonderful? Not the engine.
The whistle.
Siren.
The whistle.
Yeah.
Listen up, train song in this book.
The whistle.
The whistle. This book is written by Victoria Allenby. Where do the trains go? There and back. Let's sing a train song all down the track. How does the horn sing? Woo! Choo! Let's sing a horn song all down the track. How does the chime sing? Ting-a-ling! Ting-a-ling! Let's sing a chime song all down the track. How does the engine sing? Chuffa gruffa. Chuffa gruffa.
Chuffa gruffa.
Let's sing an engine song all down the track. How does the crossing sing? Clang bang, clang bang. Let's sing a crossing song all down the track. How does the metro sing? Whoosh, swoosh. Let's sing a metro song all down the track. How does the steam train sing? Hiss, hiss. Let's sing a steam train song all down the track. How does the boxcar sing? Rattle tattle, rattle tattle. Let's sing a boxcar song all down the track. How do the brakes sing? Screech. Let's sing a brake song all down the track. Where have the trains gone? There and back. Now sing us your song all down the track. The end. Oh. What's your favorite sound that a train makes, Mal?
I like the chugga chugga
Chugga chugga chugga chugga chugga. I like toot toot.
I like chugga chugga
Chugga chugga. That was
or when it's constantly hitting the tracks.
Yeah, clink,
It's like
clink, clink,
clink.
clink, clink.
Puts you to sleep.
That's a good one. The next story I'm going to read you is called Down by the Station. And if you don't know this song, it is a story, it is a song. So we are going to sing it. And Miss Mel is going to help me, aren't you, Miss Mel?
Sure. Yes.
This book is written by Will Hillenbrand. Down by the station early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Down by the elephants early in the morning, see the little calf waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, off we go. Down by the flamingos early in the morning, see the little chick waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, beep, beep, off we go. Down by the pandas early in the morning, see the little cub waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, beep, beep, grump, grump, off we go. Down by the tigers early in the morning, see the little cub waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, beep, beep, grum, grum, mew, mew, off we go. Down by the fields early in the morning. Down by the seals early in the morning, see the little pup waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, beep, beep, grum, grum, mew, mew, flip, flop. Uh-oh!
That looks like an alligator.
Oh no. Woo! Down by the kangaroos early in the morning, see the little Joey waiting to go. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrum, thrum, beep, beep, grum, grum, mew, mew, flip, flop, bump, bump, off we go. Down by the children's zoo early in the morning, see the baby animals exit in a row. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Aww.
They went to school.
They did. I think they went to visit the animals.
I think they did too.
Yeah, that sounds super fun. Do you like to ride the train?
I grew up with the subway, yes.
True, true. You did grow up with the subway. Have you ever ridden a train like this?
I'm pretty sure I have.
Yeah? You think?
I think so.
Well, Mel, are you ready to do a fun train craft?
Ooh, are we making conductor hats?
No, we are going to be coloring trains.
Ooh,
I know.
I like that.
Doesn't that sound fun?
I like coloring.
All right, let's get started.
All right, let's go.
All right, you ready for this fun train craft, Mel?
Sure.
Look at these cute little trains. Aren't they the cutest?
Yes, they're beautiful.
They're wooden, and we're
Yes.
going to color them with markers. So, let's see. What color am I going to make my train?
I'm making mine green.
I'm going to go with blue.
Okay.
Whoopsie. Oh
Sorry.
no, did your wheel fall off?
My wheel fell off, but that's okay because you know what? It'll be easier for me to color over there.
You can glue that back on.
I know. It's all right. I'm going to color this.
I'm going to color mine blue. So Mel, do you like trains?
Yeah, I like trains.
I like trains. We've been on the Polar Express a few times.
Ooh.
It's pretty fun.
Is it cold?
No, it's not actually. It's heated.
I tried.
And my kids thought that was fun, riding the train.
Well, then you wear your PJs or something.
Yep, you wear your PJs. So we've done that several times, and that's fun.
Well, they usually have it at, what's that place called? People's Bank Theater, too.
Yeah.
They show the movie, I think.
But we rode the train.
I know.
We rode the real train. Riding a train's pretty fun.
I agree. I grew up in New York City, so my idea of a train is not this kind of train.
Subway,
Subway.
which I've ridden as well.
Yes, you have.
It's nice to have that kind of transit in a big city.
I used to fall asleep to the sound of the subway passing by.
tracks. Oh, really?
It kind of put me asleep. You know, people counted sheep. I listened
Yeah.
to the subway. It was actually quite nice.
Okay, there we go.
I thought that was green. It's blue. Sure.
Now, back before cars were super popular,
Yep.
that was your main source of transportation,
Yep.
was a train. If you wanted to get anywhere fast, you were taking a train.
And it wasn't
Or
fast.
else you were taking a horse and buggy.
It wasn't fast.
No, it wasn't as fast as they are today.
No.
Definitely, but faster than a horse and buggy for sure.
I wish they'd get some fast trains here. So then you could be in New York for a weekend.
It would be pretty cool if we had more mass transit.
But, oh well.
Maybe someday.
Someday.
So my train's got a blue engine, and I'm gonna
Yeah.
color it pink.
Mine's gonna have a green engine.
Green engine.
I'm trying to see if I can remember Thomas the Tank Engine at all, but I can't.
Oh gosh, I don't
know he's
remember.
blue.
Yeah, he's blue.
I can't remember who's.
And Gordon, I think, was green. You kids out there probably know more than
We
Mel
do.
and I. You can make your train look like a Thomas train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then there was, what's the other one? Percy?
Percy, yes,
Yeah.
there was a Percy. Lots of trains. Trains are fun.
Planes, trains, and automobiles.
That's right.
Good movie.
That is a very good movie.
What else? What else can we say about the train?
Well, you know,
I don't
there
even know.
still are quite a few trains in this town that you can see.
Yes. Well, they have
There's a museum, I believe.
yeah. And then they have the train that goes over on Harmer area.
Yep.
I don't know what that's for, but
Making my stacks gray. I think they're just decorative.
okay.
And let's see. Let's go with some blue.
Boo.
Blue. How's your wheel doing?
It keeps falling off.
Well,
That'll be
that's okay. That's okay.
I probably won't play with this, so it won't have to worry about falling
It's decorative.
yeah.
You can make your little train and put it on your shelf as a cute decoration.
Yeah. You know what? I
Alrighty.
think mine needs a little pink.
I already
little
got a little
pinky
pink
pink.
on mine. I gotta do my wheels. Let's see.
man.
Wheels. I'm gonna go with
The wheels on the bus go.
I'm gonna go with pink wheels.
Pink?
Pink.
I don't think I've ever seen a pink wheel.
Well, you know
Other than
what?
on a Huffy.
When you're making your own train, you can make your wheels whatever color you want.
I got
You
it.
get creative. Do whatever you want. You could bedazzle your train.
Oh,
Wouldn't that be awesome?
diamond paint.
That's right. Put some gems on it.
Yeah, she's truly outrageous.
She is.
All right.
Oh, this is fantastic. And I'm gonna
Kinda
put
scary looking person.
I'm gonna put my name on the front of my train.
Are ya?
It's Kate's train.
Oh boy. Oh man.
Toot toot.
Oh my gosh.
Kate's train.
Kate's train.
Do a little on here.
Okay,
A
so
little on here.
as usual, you can find this lovely craft at the Marietta Branch of the Washington County Public Library on 5th Street in the Children's Department.
Yep,
If you go upstairs, you'll see me. If you go downstairs, you'll see her.
that's right. Come see us. We love to see people at the library.
Yeah.
And come get a train.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today, everybody. We had so much fun, and we're so glad you were here. Story time is over. Wave goodbye. Our story time is over. Wave goodbye. Our story time is done.
I hope you had lots of fun.
Our story time is over. Wave goodbye. Bye, everybody.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo, woo. Ooh.
Stanley's Train by William B. Published by Peachtree, copyright 2019. Two Little Trains by Margaret Wise Brown, pictures by Greg Pizzoli. Published by HarperCollins, copyright 2020. Chugga Chugga Choo Choo by Emma Garcia. Published by Boxer Books, copyright 2017. Listen Up, Train Song by Victoria Allenby. Published by Pajama Press, copyright 2022. Down by the Station by Will Hillenbrand. Published by Scholastic Incorporated, copyright 1999. WCMO Storytime is a production of MCTV.